How to add a voucher to Uber Eats. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can add a voucher to your Uber Eats. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Uber Eats. Make sure you're logged in into your account. Let me head here. So this is what it should look like. Now you can go to account section on the bottom right corner. And after you're here, head over to the wallet section. Tap on wallet. After you tap on wallet, there you'll find the vouchers section. On the bottom, tap on add voucher code. And now all you have to do is add a voucher code in the enter your voucher code section and tap on continue. Follow the prompts and you'll have added your voucher to Uber Eats. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.